Hello, kids. Today we will learn numbers from 1 to 20. Let's count together.
Number 1, one bright sun. Number 2, two happy hands. Number 3, three balloons flying free. Number 4, four kittens playing more. Number 5, five fingers wave alive. Number 6, six apples in a mix. Number 7, seven stars in heaven. Number 8, eight ducks in the lake. Number 9, nine frogs jump in line. Number 10, 10 fingers clap again. Number 11, 11 books to learn. Number 12, 12 pencils in a row. Number 13, 13 birds flying free. Number 14, 14 flowers bloom. Number 15, 15 drums boom. Number 16, 16 candies sweet. Number 17, 17 cars go zoom. Number 18, 18 fish swim fast. Number 19, 19 bees buzz buzz. Number 20, 20 kids clap plenty.
Great job, kids. You learned counting from 1 to 20. Keep practicing every day.